Hello friends, subscribe my channel. IDP examination based question provide my channel. Today I am discuss about the most important question. Some people think that the public health is the responsibility of the government, while others think the people should be responsible for their own health. Discuss the both side and give your opinion. ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਕੁਝ ਲੋਕੀ ਸੋਚਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਪਬਲਿਕ ਦੀ ਹੈਲਥ ਹੈ, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੀ ਸਿਹਤ ਹੈ, ਉਹਦੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਮੇਵਾਰੀ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਦੀ ਹੈ। ਪਰ ਕੁਝ ਲੋਕੀ ਦੂਜੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਕੀ ਸੋਚਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਆ ਆਪਣੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਮੇਵਾਰੀ ਆਪ ਚੱਕਣ, ਆਪਣਾ ਸਿਹਤ ਦਾ ਖਿਆਲ ਆਪ ਰੱਖਣ। ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕਰਨਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਈਡ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਸਟੇਟਮੈਂਟ 'ਤੇ ਲਿਖਣਾ ਆ। ਜਿਵੇਂ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਸਟੇਟਮੈਂਟ BP1 ਲਈ ਬਣ ਜਾਏਗੀ, ਦੂਜੀ ਸਟੇਟਮੈਂਟ BP2 ਲਈ ਬਣ ਜਾਏਗੀ। ਗਿਵ ਯੂਅਰ ਓਪੀਨੀਅਨ, ਆਪਣਾ ਵੀ ਓਪੀਨੀਅਨ ਦੇਣਾ ਆ ਕਨਕਲੂਜ਼ਨ 'ਚ। ਚਲੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਇੰਟਰੋਡਕਸ਼ਨ ਬਣੇਗਾ, ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਰੀਫਰੇਸ, ਫਿਰ ਕੀ ਬਣੇਗਾ ਥੀਸਿਸ, ਫਿਰ ਕੀ ਬਣੇਗਾ BP1, ਫਿਰ BP2, ਫਿਰ ਕਨਕਲੂਜ਼ਨ। ਚਲੋ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। While it is often thought that the government should be accountable for the public health, other people believe that people too to be responsible for their health. In my opinion, I consider that the government in every country have to take responsibility for the well-being of their citizen. BP1. On the one hand, according to some, government play an essential role in ensuring that everyone is healthy because a country cannot progress without healthy societies. In other words, when the public is healthy, they can help the country to develop because they can share their own knowledge in many fields, such as education and health. Furthermore, medical expenses can be extremely high and some cannot afford them. In this case, it is important for the government to help its citizens. For instance, in the UK, although the inflation rate is high, people still can get the best medical treatment thanks to free healthcare. Hence, the people there do not need to worry about their health issue. BP2. On the other hand, some individuals may claim that in order to stay healthy, people should be responsible for their own health. One reason why people are sick is that they do not have a healthy diet. That is to say, they consume foods which are high in calories and fats, and because of that, they started gaining weight. For example, the rate of obesity in America keep on increasing every year because people do not care about what they consume. Therefore, in order to healthy, people have to change their diet. Another reason is that people this day do not have an active lifestyle. When they lead sedimentary lifestyle, they will not able to burn the calories and eventually they become overweight. As a result, people should be active physically in order to have a healthy body. To sum up, though the people may vary in their opinion, I think that without government help, people will not able to have a healthy life. If every government in every nation were responsible for their citizen health, the number of the sick people would reduce. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like it and subscribe it.